Are you looking for the best high-quality sewing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best high-quality sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother CS6000i. The CS6000i sewing machine is acclaimed both for its affordability and great variety of features specialized for sewing and quilting. One of its most notable features is its impressive selection of 60 different stitches, including 7 varieties of one-step buttonhole styles. To ensure everything is user-friendly and not too overwhelming, especially for beginners, the CS6000i is the only machine on this list with an LCD display to view and adjust the stitching selection electronically. The threading diagrams are easy to follow and labeled by the according feature. Because the product is electronic, it also has the variable speed control feature. For larger projects, such as quilts, the machine comes with a detachable, oversized wide table. The CS6000i also includes an automatic needle threader, an LED lit work area, and a built-in free arm for stitching sleeves. The machine comes with a hard carry case for portability. The only recurring concern among customers is the thread tension being low with certain materials. At number 2, Singer Heavy Duty 4432. The Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine from Singer has been produced with heavier materials in mind. Heavy-duty projects require a stronger machine, and if you're looking for one on a budget, this is our best choice for a heavy-duty sewing machine under $200. This model sports a strong motor capable of withstanding an impressive maximum speed of 1100 stitches per minute. There is also a built-in reverse lever to further strengthen stitches. This machine is made with a metal frame for added durability and support, which is useful for both heavy-duty projects as well as for frequent ones. Despite its metal structure, this model weighs less than 15 pounds. The machine features 32 stitches including a one-step buttonhole, and a presser foot with adjustable pressure so it can work with materials both thick and thin with ease. The heavy-duty 4432 also includes an automatic needle threader and a built-in free arm. Singer also has an app with sewing lessons and tutorials for their products. It is often referred to be a great sewing machine for leather. Due to the high maximum speed of stitching, this machine does run a higher risk of breaking the needle when used. At number 3, Brother XR3774 machine. This sewing machine is a very good sewing machine in this price range. If you are a beginner, you will have a good experience. Brother XR3774 is a perfect sewing machine for beginners. In addition, professional sewers who are searching for some flexibility can use it. What's more, it has a large range of features. It is extremely easy to use, and is light in weight. So, you can take this machine into sewing classes too. You can sew sleeves, cuffs, and trouser legs effectively with the free arm. It has 37 stitches. With the help of these, you can make several designs for your sewing tasks. It likewise has one-stage buttonholer to make buttonholes. Furthermore, it has a wide table to sew bigger fabrics like quilts. It has 8 sewing feet including a buttonhole, zipper, button sewing, slender hemmer, and sewing feet. This sewing machine is a decent sewing machine in this price range. So, if you are a beginner, you will have a decent experience with this sewing machine. At number 4, Brother CS5055 PRW sewing machine. This Brother CS5055 PRW Project Runway is a reasonable, computerized sewing machine. What's more, it comes with a large number of features for a sewing machine which is under $200. You can make top-of-the-line designs at a very reasonable cost. Also, this machine gives couture-level products to help you augment your feeling of style into exceptional runway-level designs. It is pretty easy to learn and use this sewing machine. What's more, it can deal with an extensive variety of textures easily. Also, it has a capacity to add amazing, high-quality buttonholes, zippers. It also adds flawless, overcasting edges to your most loved clothes. It has 50 stitches. Additionally, there is a whole range of implicit stitches. These are present on the front side of the machine. You can easily select from the instructive LCD screen. What's more, you can change the stitch according to your particular needs. The Brother CS5055 PRW gives an extraordinary choice of stitches and individual sewing feet. What's more, this encourages you to finish your sewing ventures in time. At number 5, Singer 4411 Sewing Machine. This Singer 4411 is an amazing sewing machine. This machine has a powerful motor. It contains a perfect metal frame. Singer 4411 is fit for sewing all that you toss at it. What's more, you can change your clothes. You can begin several tasks with this amazing sewing machine. It is an amazing, flexible and perfect sewing machine. Moreover, it has several features which make it less demanding to deal with. Also, this machine has a decent sewing speed which helps in finishing a task in less time. The programmed needle threader is a decent feature in this machine. Furthermore, it saves you a ton of time amid sewing. You can sew several kinds of fabrics without any trouble. It has a powerful motor which is more powerful than other regular ones. It, additionally, can sew 11-10 stitches in 1 minute. Also, it encourages you to finish your sewing ventures in less time. It is a perfect machine at this price. You can buy this if you don't have enough money and are a beginner. What's more, you can do your entire basic work and some professional quality stuff with this machine.